The stormy day in the Parliament today. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has attacked Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, in fact, delivered a speech today on the budget 2024. Remember, he's also the leader of the opposition. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister has said that Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly broken rules. In fact, he also intervened when Rahul Gandhi was speaking today. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister has also said that Rahul Gandhi was attacking Speaker continuously. He has also said that the LOP is a responsible position, and Rahul Gandhi in his speech has slammed the budget over its halwa ceremony. He said that the halwa ceremony was not representative and inclusive enough, and in fact it did not have officials from all sections of the society, and he said that the halwa was made by a select few. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister has attacked Rahul Gandhi, and he has said that the LOP is a post that needs to be undertaken with a lot of responsibility. Let's listen into what he said today.
Sri Rahul Gandhi has been breaking the rules and conventions every now and then. My point is, even after repeated reminder given by the Honorable Speaker that no member should display posters and pictures and all, this is against the convention and rules of the Lok Sabha. And in the Parliament, we have to follow the rules and regulations and conventions. So that is why I am saying Sri Rahul Gandhi ji has been appointed as leader of opposition. It is a constitutional responsibility. But he is not maintaining his responsibility.
I have my colleague Aishwarya joining us with more details on the story. Aishwarya, you were tracking the story in the Parliament today. It was yet another action-packed day. Rahul Gandhi delivered his speech as the LOP, and he in fact attacked the government on the budget 2024. Earlier, he had said that this is a Kursi Bachao budget. You know, it was a budget he claimed was a budget only to save the government. And today, while he made a lot of important points, Parliamentary Affairs Minister and a couple of other people from the BJP have also accused him of not being serious enough as the LOP and not really understanding the sanctity of the post. Please help us understand what are the main reservations that the Treasury benches had when Rahul Gandhi was speaking.
Well, certainly it was the Treasury benches who stood up time and again during Rahul Gandhi's speech and raised several points of order. It was also mentioned by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister while Rahul Gandhi was speaking that he cannot bring the posters inside the House, and this was the request that was made by the Lok Sabha Speaker earlier as well. Remember the speech that Rahul Gandhi made while he was replying on the President's address, and he brought the posters of Shiva and other gods and goddesses, to which Lok Sabha Speaker objected. And today as well it was mentioned by Lok Sabha Speaker that there are several rules and conventions that a leader of opposition should follow, and while he is sitting on a constitutional position, he should not disobey the rules, and therefore the reason he should not display the posters. Today, remember, Rahul Gandhi displayed again a poster of a halwa ceremony where he mentioned that in this particular poster you can see with Nirmala Sitharaman, all those officers who are sitting are not of different sections of the society. There is no OBC, there is no Adivasi, there is no backward class, and that's the thing that Rahul Gandhi and the opposition parties wanted to showcase as far as the caste census demand of the opposition parties are concerned, to which it was objected by the Treasury benches, and Kiren Rijiju came outside and gave a media bite. He condemned the entire incident of what has happened inside the House. He also stated that Rahul Gandhi should not disrespect the Lok Sabha Speaker. He should not challenge the Lok Sabha Speaker while he was mentioning about several rules being made inside the Lok Sabha premises. It was mentioned, remember, by the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla that the rules that are made for Parliament premises are completely under the jurisdiction of the Lok Sabha Speaker, and that should not be challenged by any person because those are the rules that are meant to be made for some specific reasons, to which it was Rijiju who condemned Rahul Gandhi's actions as far as showcasing the posters, and also stated that the leader of opposition who's sitting in a constitutional position does not know any of the rules. He should first read out and learn the rules and how Parliament functions as far as the convention and rules are concerned, and this is not how a leader of opposition should behave. So clearly an all-out attack on the leader of opposition as far as the Treasury benches are concerned. But today, of course, Rahul Gandhi gave almost a 40-minute speech inside the Parliament, which was backed, of course, by the India Bloc. But interestingly, it was cornered at several stages by the Treasury benches as well.